Alright, so today we are in St. Lucia. We are doing a trip with a cruise company called Ponant, which we love doing work for. But anyways, there's a giant mountain behind me. It's called a Piton. There's two of them. And I'm gonna fly my FPV drone, hopefully all the way to the top and back down around the boat. Today I'm flying a Moz 7 from Gep RC. And that's the long range quad that I'm using, and a giant battery. So definitely battery will not be the issue. But yeah, we're gonna send it. So we're about to take off. I'm gonna get by the railing. It's super windy up here, but this drone should be totally fine. Just gonna nicely take off, and we are away. Cool, so the first thing that I wanna do is definitely go to the top of this Piton. You'll see in a minute here, there's a second one. Actually, I can just show you. There's a second one right over there. They're just these insane mountains. I actually visited here back in 2017, and I dreamed of getting a shot like this, so I'm ridiculously excited right now. The only problem is I actually don't think I'm gonna be able to dive the whole mountain because I think we are actually too close with the boat. But I'll just get up, see as high as I can, and then give it a shot. And I apologize for talking quietly. We are on a peaceful cruise, so I'm trying not to be too loud. Wow, this is nuts. Yo guys, so while I'm editing this, I thought I'd throw this quick note in there that at this point in the video, I started to hear a plane or helicopter engine. My girlfriend Nicole was acting as my visual observer, so I just kind of asked her where it was, and the helicopter had actually came from the opposite side of the mountain and flew up right to the top of it. This happens every once in a while when you're flying FPV, and the best thing to do if this does happen to you when you're flying FPV, because it's impossible to know exactly where all aircraft are when you're flying, is just to get super close to the ground, try to get away from the airspace, and just wait until that plane goes away. So anyways, that's what I did in this video, and I'll just pick back up after I kind of just hovered and waited for it to leave. Okay, so surprisingly I actually did make it to the top. About to lose sight of the boat. Okay. We're at the top. Just gonna make sure the boat's still in view so I don't lose connection. And let's go. Wow, that was sick. All right, so we are off. Got full voltage here. Get a nice shot of this boat. And I'm just going to kind of climb up this mountain. But this mountain is like deceptively tall. I think it's like 3,000 meters, or sorry, 3,000 feet, 1,000 meters. I actually realized that I just took off and flew away without my GPS rescue. So hopefully that isn't an issue. It shouldn't be because it's well within the range. We are getting up there. And once I'm at the top, actually right now while I'm going up, we can scope the other piton. It actually looks quite a bit lower than this one, maybe. But yeah, these things are just way taller than anything else on the island. So I'm gonna go a little bit higher. Ooh, let's go. And it's really cool actually to just see the shadow of this thing. Make sure that I can see the boat still. Can. And then let's dive this. It's like hard to comprehend how tall this thing is until you fly a drone to the top of it. Nice. And this drone handles super well. I've actually mainly flown the Chimera, but I've been trying this one out. It's the GEP-RC Moz 7. And so far, I'm really liking it. So I'm gonna keep going with the shot. Get that nice final reveal shot. Nice. Boom. That was money. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Shout out to Nicole and Annabelle.